So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of events. And let's say what I want to do is I want to send these events to my OneNote. So in order to do that, you can click on any event and then click on edit right here. Then you get the details right here. So now you need to click on three dot button and click on send to OneNote. Once you do that, what you need to do is you need to sign in, click on allow, and then you get this window right here where you need to enter your ID and click on next. Once you do that, what happens is that it'll authenticate your account right here just like this, and it'll open up OneNote over here inside of your event right here. Then you can go around over here and expand and go to a particular section and then simply save your content onto OneNote. Then what happens is that it'll be saved onto OneNote from over here. So if I were to access my OneNote over here, you can see that this is what you have. In the Untitled section, I got the meeting details right here, just like this, with all of the details that I had in the event, just like this. And that is how you can send event details to OneNote from Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.